So engraving on a knife is easy, right? Nah, that's wrong. But why? We are using laser to engrave, so every surface that reflects light or let light through, like mirrors or glass and shiny metal, will not be easy to engrave. So first of all, we need to coat the object. I'm going to use a white ball marker because that's what everything have around, but it's not the best solution and you're gonna see why at the end. I will put in the comments a better solution to it, but that's the one that everyone has at home, so that's how we go. And I was too lazy to do anything else. In my machine, I put a blank paper to see the things better, put some spaces on, and the knife. Take the image you want to engrave and put it on the object. Well, apparently the knife was skewed, so nothing really matched up, and that's why you see it not really good in the end result, but make sure your knife is perfect. Sometimes on knives and stuff, it can be skewed because of the handles, so make sure to level everything. I'm gonna use cardboard to level things up and you will see it when I engrave stuff. One last note, make sure the thickness is right, measure it if you need to. If you need to know how to measure, link in the comments. And I'm gonna use the basic silver stainless steel tag. You can use any other thing you want, but most of the basic steel things work great. I realized my knife was skewed when I did the framing, so don't forget to frame your project. As you can see here, because the knife was skewed and nothing was just right, it didn't actually work perfectly, but make sure it will work for you. And this is the piece of cardboard I used just to fix a bit of skewing. You can use whatever you want, just make sure it's perfectly flat. Lastly, just wash off the colors, use anything you want. I'll just use plain water and it works just fine. I'm gonna scrub it later to actually use it with food, and you should too. Take note that the color here is kind of bluish because I used the blue marker. If you're gonna use any other color of marker, it will be a bit different. And that's it, you get yourself a knife. I hope it helped, and if you need any help, leave the question in the comments.